This video guys, we're going to cook a Filipino style adobo, and Filipino adobo is known to be chicken, but we can cook pork on this recipe as well, but we will focus on chicken for now because I prepared chicken for it. And I'm going to speak to you about the main ingredients of this: vinegar and soy sauce. So there are two famous vinegar and soy sauce in the Philippines, guys. Is the puti vinegar and the silver's one. Both of it are almost the same, but since I have these, I'll use this. So as what I said, I prefer to use this one. And also we need a oyster sauce. This oyster sauce, guys, is bought also in Sainsbury's. We normally use Dato Puti of Silver's one in this menu, but I don't have the soy sauce of the Dato Puti brand, so instead I use this Lee Kun Ki. This is the dark soy sauce we bought on Sainsbury's since we can't find the ideal brand, and it works because this is gonna be the second time I've cooked this menu with these ingredients. And also please note, guys, that you cannot eat this menu without rice because this is known to be very salty and very oily, but I'll try to reduce the oil on my recipe. I'll prepare a kilogram of chicken to this menu. So let's get started. So here is our kilogram of chicken, guys, and as what you can see, I've removed all the skin from it. Removing the skin will reduce the production of oil in our menu. So the only part that has skin is the wings, and the rest is in the muscles of this chicken. Also, guys, note that the most tasty part of this menu is in the part which has bones. So this part, the spine part, the wings and the legs has got bones on it, and that is one of the most tastiest part of this menu. This is the skin that I've removed from my chicken, and we'll cook it differently after this video. And these are the ingredients, guys, that I have prepared. So I have got a spoon of butter. We also have onion and garlic on this. The other part of our ingredients is a spoon of salt, a spoon of sugar, 2 pinches of pepper. I also have prepared 40 ml or a quarter of a cup of our vinegar, and also the same volume for our soy sauce, but it depends on how you like it. You can add more soy sauce or you can add more vinegar. First thing we have to do is to heat the pan, of course, and then we'll add a quarter or half a cup of water on it. So just put the water on that. It's gonna boil now. So the pan is very hot now. It's gonna be noisy. And then we're gonna add the chicken, the whole chicken on it. Then we'll close that, quick stir. Now our chicken looks pale now. It looks softer, and I can smell that it's a bit cooked and it's soft. I can now add the second ingredient, the onion and the garlic. After a few minutes, now we can now add our salt, our sugar, and our pepper. I'll put it all and give it a stir. We can now also add 40 ml of our vinegar and 40 ml of our soy sauce. We'll wait a little bit more, and so we can add more. I'll add now 40 ml of our oyster sauce. Now while we're waiting for the chicken, which is almost finished, I'm going to prepare the skin. What I'm gonna do with this is to just add some salt, some garlic granules, and then mix it. Now I'll just add this thing in the air fryer. Degrees. After a few minutes, it looks like this now. It doesn't look very tasty yet. I'm gonna add the butter now. This is the final ingredients just to make it look nice. You can see that, guys, it looks creamy. That's the butter. You can add more if you want, but we're almost done. Yes, and it tastes very nice. Going back to our chicken, we can serve this now, and that's our chicken adobo. So this is our chicken skin.